the Lunchbox has met with stupendous success not just at home grounds but also internationally. And the two male actors who jointly share this wonderful and sumptuous lunchbox, Irfan and Nawaz, are powerhouses in their own right. But are they a threat to each other? Watch this story for more.
These two unconventional actors are ruling the roost in Bollywood today. With an impactful and endearing lunchbox to their credit, Nawazuddin Siddiqui and Irfan Khan have become poster boys of the offbeat. The two were spotted sharing stage along with Nimrit Kaur for the DVD launch of the Lunchbox.
जरा हम भी तो देखें कि हमसे बड़ा शैतान कौन पैदा हो गया.
Fresh from appreciation he's received for his negative act in Kick, Nawazuddin thinks this blockbuster, to his credit, will help the smaller movies he's doing.
तो एक्टर के लिए सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज और सबसे बड़ा फायदा यही होता है जब वो अलग-अलग डिफरेंट जॉनर्स में काम करता है. तो एक तो सबसे बड़ा फायदा ये है और दूसरा फायदा मुझे इस फिल्म से करने से अभी तक होगा तो डेफिनेटली मैं ऐसी होप कर रहा हूँ कि मेरी जो आने वाली छोटी फिल्म है उनको फायदा होगा.
Since his debut, Nawaz has been compared to fellow actor Irfan Khan many a times. Reports even suggest that the two actors do not see eye to eye and are arch rivals. But the duo did come together on the same platform for the Lunchbox. Next to be seen in a small role in Vishal Bharadwaj's Heather, Irfan is busy with international projects like Steven Spielberg's The Jurassic World, and the Indo-French collaboration with Kangna is also in the offing.
Because of the success of Lunchbox, the director went to France and he started sharing the idea with the producers. And he got a lot of response from there. So that was very encouraging, exciting. Kangna likes the idea. She loves the idea. She's, she wants to do the film.
Only time will tell which one of these two powerhouse performers stay on the Bollywood shores to rule the roost. Meanwhile, the two have this lunchbox to share. With Sakhi Deshpande in Mumbai, Garma Khurana, Headlines Today.